Oh, hey, what's up, guys? Um, so we actually got this MCS three-ways over here with a remote reservoir. We're actually mounting them. This car is just so easy to work on when it comes to the suspension. Double wishbone, so we're just literally replacing the shock itself. And with this piece right here, we're just gonna mount it right here. I mean, just simple as that. There's a bar right here, so convenient. Look at how we mount it over there. So this will just go there like so. So this is the first car we're doing the MCS three-ways on, or actually just MCS dampers on these cars in general. So super excited to test them out. After we get the installation done, we're gonna take it out to the racetrack. Well, before that, we'll obviously set it up. We'll set the ride height, we'll corner balance it, we'll align it and all, determine the rake on it, and we'll take it out to a racetrack. And yeah, pretty excited. I mean, I've driven this car like plenty of times, just always complained about the suspension, and now we've got a solution for it. So super excited to see how it goes from there. So we'll stay tuned, guys.